Hello and welcome to a new unboxing video. Today I've got some subscription boxes to open. So I've got a Barry's Cactus Club, I think it's a brand new subscription box, and I've got the Papergang, which is a stationery box. So I'm just going to quickly open them first, see what's inside, and then later on in the video I'll go through all the items more in depth, work out whether I think the box is actually worth the money or not, and decide whether to continue with the subscription. Okay, so I'll go with the cactus one first, I think. I'll get this open. So we've got some mushed up cardboard for the stuffing, which is good. We've got a little bottle of cactus food. Oh my god, I wasn't expecting that. A cute little tin, and it's a little cactus plant. It's so cute. Okay, so that's telling you how to care for your plants, and then a little booklet. Oh my god, this looks so cute. Oh my god, look at it, it's lovely. Oh, it's so nice, and it's so well packed as well. Oh my god, there it is. So you're getting this. I was thinking £12 for a little cactus, it might be a little bit expensive. I might just get one box. But look at the beautiful little ceramic pot that it comes in. Look at that, that is so nice. And then that's the little plant itself. Have you ever seen a cuter cactus than that? It's so nice. I love it. So there we go, that's, oh my god. I really wasn't expecting it to be so nice. And then this little pin as well. Definitely is worth the £12. I'm definitely gonna continue. So it's saying that this is a zebra plant. Oh, so it's not an actual cactus, it's a succulent. And then it's got some care instructions. So this book says, hello there, Barry's Cactus Club was created by plant lovers for plant lovers. Barry is a real life cactus who can't wait to introduce you to some of his prickly pals. Each month you'll receive a cute new cacti or succulent, and this book will help you keep track of them. Simply slot in the card info you receive with each new plant friend. Oh my god, this is probably my best subscription box I've ever had. It's so bloody cute. So you put the so you just slot the corners into here, and then you can, oh what, that is such a good idea. So I think you probably pull this off so that you can read, I think this probably comes off so that you can read the back of the card without taking it out of your book. I hope I'm not doing this wrong. Yeah, there we go. So there's the card in the book, and then I can read the plant care instructions on the back. Okay, so that's the little cactus. Oh my god, I'm so pleased with it. Okay, so next we've got the Papergang stationery box. Oh, we've got an enamel pin in this as well. Little cute little pencil. It says Papergang on it. Oh, it's so nice. So I'll just put that to one side. Let's see what we've got. So first we've got a little calendar for the month. Just, I think you get one of these in every one, so you've got like just a new little handy little calendar if you want to mark any dates off for the month. And then we've got some stickers, 5 sticker sheets. So they'll be great for putting in planners and whatnot if you're a planner. So there's all kinds of little shapes, and then there's numbers and letters, and there's 5 sheets, and I think they're all the same. Yeah, they're all the same. Then there's a little patch. It says "Stay Proud" on it. It's a cute little patch that you would sew onto something. We've got a cute little sticky note pad. We've got this that says "Stay Proud," and this one says "Stay True." I'm not sure what they are, but I'm sure it'll say in the pamphlet. And then the last thing is the notepad. So it's like a bullet journal notepad, and it's got the little bullet dots. So, and it says on the spine, "My pride and joy." So that's everything in that box. Let's see what it's about. Oh, so it says, "This is in honour of Pride Month. We're supporting a very special charity close to our hearts. Switchboard LGBT+ provides an information, support and referral service for lesbians, gay men and bisexual trans people and anyone considering issues around their sexuality and or gender identity." Okay, so that's the theme this month. So it's a different theme every month. Oh, so this is the rainbow flag is iconic for pride and LGBTQ+ movements, and for us it was important to include this within the box. So that's obviously the design. It's like based off the rainbow pride colours, and it says the design brains behind this special box are the ODF founders and partners in work and life, Jamie Mitchell and Mark Calaby. And these people also the same people who make the Artful subscription box. Oh, and it's advertising Barry's Cactus Club on the back page as well. I didn't even realise they were connected. As I said in my last video, I'm moving all this kind of thing onto this channel. So my other channel, the Art Spirits, I'm just gonna streamline that one right down to just watercolour videos. Probably just me painting watercolour paintings or doing watercolour tutorials, and then everything else is gonna go on this channel. Okay, so I'm just gonna summarise what's in each box and see if it's worth it or not. So the Barry's Cactus Club, it's in a beautiful box. Decorated with this lovely black and white cactus design all the way around the edges. Really, really nice. Oh, it's £15 a month. I thought it was 12. I think this is the first month ever, and I'm pretty sure I only paid £12 for it. So it's £15 a month, so that must have been an introductory price I got, unless I'm mistaken. So I was thinking that the little pin, because it says Barry's Cactus Club official member, I was thinking this is probably just a one-off that you get when you start the subscription. But it does say on here, plus surprise extras each month. So there might be something else extra next month other than the plant. So you get the plant itself, which looks like a beautiful, really healthy little plant. And of course the pot is beautiful. So 10 out of 10 for the packaging. The packaging's lovely. Yeah, it's not full of plastics and stuff like that. It's just cardboard and then reused cardboard to fill the void. There's the plant food. Now normally I know plant food does last a long time, so you probably only need this one bottle, and there probably won't be one in every single box. The price includes the shipping as well, so I do think that this is it's worth the £15, and I'll definitely carry on getting this box. And I love this. This is just a brilliant idea. It was so much fun to open as well. I mean, it's not just the cost of the ingredients. I mean, I know that you can probably get maybe in the garden centre or something, but you know, it's the excitement of opening it and everything, and just like it's a service, isn't it, that you're paying for. So that's a definite yes. I will definitely stay subscribed to this one. Now Papergang, I think it's actually £14 a month, not £10 a month. I've had time to have a look through the things, and I'm not really happy with the contents, to be honest with you. I'm just not really impressed. So this little badge here, this little pin, I think that's only because I'm a new subscriber, and it's covered in scratches as well, but that's not part of this box. This is obviously just for subscribing. Yeah, it is, because it says welcome to Papergang. You are now officially a paper gangster and can wear this pin with pride. So I've watched loads of videos of people unboxing these boxes, and some of the boxes in the past were absolutely amazing. This box is no comparison to the ones that I've seen on the unboxing videos. Okay, so I don't really think that this box is worth £14. I'm going to go through the stuff, and I must say, personally, this is not really to my taste, but it doesn't mean to say it won't be to other people's taste. So I don't think it's worth it, because I think this is a very low quality. It's just a paperback book. It's very just really low quality. I mean, you would probably pay £1 in Wilkinson's for something like this, or maybe maximum £3. I would say between £1 and £3 that's worth. That is these little sticky notes. They're cute, but it looks very low quality. The colours are dull. What would that be if you were to purchase that? You would maybe purchase it in a pound shop or something, I don't know, maybe £1. So I'm being generous, about £4 there. That's the main item. The sticky sheets, again, the design isn't really to my taste, to be honest with you, so I don't really find these very pretty. I like, you know, pretty stuff, but it is a stationery item, and you do get 5 sheets, which is quite generous, and they'll probably come in really useful for people who do bullet journaling and stuff like that. So that's a good item, I think, to have in the box. But I don't think it's really worth very much. Again, it's probably only worth, I don't know what that would be worth, a couple of pound, maximum £2. And then that, I mean, that's not worth anything really, and I don't know what I'm going to do with that. And same with these. First of all, they're not worth anything. It's just a low quality print with a statement on. Like what could I possibly use these for? And then this is completely worthless. It's maybe a handy little thing to have, but it's low quality. I could produce better quality on my home computer. So there's not a cat in hell's chance that's worth £14. So I am disappointed with the box, and it's a shame because I've seen such beautiful boxes that they've done in the past. But I think it could just be a one-off, not a one-off box that's not very good. So I'll stay subscribed and see what it's like next month. Okay, so thanks very much for watching, and I should have another video up soon.